Sige, hamunin mo sila.
Negative ako negative.
Nagpa-test kami late November, negative.
Napatanda ako, napatanda
Naman
ako.
ko lang ngayong February.
Number 4, Miss Luke Pagocha. Abang sa number. Nagpatest na abang siya, nagpatest. Negative? Okay. Sino yun? Number
9.
Number 9.
What is the best lesson you ever learned in your life? I repeat. What is the best lesson you ever learned in your life?
Before I answer the question, I would like to remind each and every one of you that this is a part of the pageant which tests if beauty and brain comes in one package. The questions ask me, what is the best lessons I've learned in my life? In my 25 years living in this society, I still firmly believe that love is just like a one big ocean of experiences that we should swim upon. It is full of obstacles that we should overcome. As a gay, I believe, ladies and gentlemen, I am more assertive and aggressive in pushing my rights and privileges being an individual. I will not just sit down and wait for the light, but I will stand up to learn for that light. Ladies and gentlemen, this humble homosexual in front of you saying that I am a creation of God. I have my responsibility, my obligation. I have my essence of life. And I believe that the essence of life is me. Thank you and believe me.
Lala! Mother Lala!
Essence ang ating
Go Mother
Ikaw may
Sherwin,
essence?
Ninang Rosie, ayun o.
Don't you mention.
Rosie o.
Candidate number 5.